Now question number 4. T is inversely proportional to the square of L. T is inversely proportional to the square of length यानी L square. Given that T is equal to 9 and L is equal to 2, find the formula for T in terms of L and the values of L when T is equal to 25. So start from here. T is inversely proportional to 1 over L square. Putting the value of T is equal to 9 and L is equal to 2 in this equation. L is equal to 2, it means that L is 4. Cross multiply it like this, it will give you K is equal to 36. Put this value in this equation, T is equal to 36 over L square. So this was the formula of T in terms of L. You get it, this first part. Second part is when T is equal to 25, you have to find the value of L. Now T is equal to 25, put these values in this equation. Now again substitute this from here to here, it is called as inverted theorem. L square is equal to 36 over 25, square root दोनों साइडों का जो है वो आप टेक द स्क्वायर रूट एंड इट विल बी स्क्वायर विल बी कैंसल बाय दिस. L is equal to plus minus 6 over 5. And if converted into whole number by dividing 6 by 5, it will be plus minus 1 by 5, 1 into 1 over 5. Question number 5. Y is directly proportional to the square root of x. Given that y is equal to 12 and x is equal to 36, the formula for y in terms of x and the value of x when y is equal to 10. Now this is the solution. Y is directly proportional to the square root of x. Now here y is directly proportional to the square root of x. Omitting this proportionality sign, you notice that y is equal to k under root x. Given that y is equal to 12 and x is equal to 36, putting these values in this equation, we will get k is equal to 2. Now you are required, now put this k here and it will be give you y is equal to 2 under root x. This will be the answer because we are asked to find the formula for y in terms of x. Now in the second part, you are giving that y is equal to 10 and y is equal to 2 under root x. Now put these values in this equation. You will see divide by 2 here, under root x is equal to 5, squaring both sides, under root sign will be cancelled by the square root square sign and x is equal to 25. Question number 6 is also very easy. Y is inversely proportional to x. Given that y is equal to 250 when x is equal to 4, find y when x is equal to 20. Write y is inversely proportional to 1 over x, find y in terms of x. Now it is given that y is inversely proportional to x. So y is inversely proportional to x. Omitting this proportionality sign will introduce the constant k. Y is equal to k over x. Putting these values, y is equal to 250, k over x is equal to 4. Now again cross multiply this, k is equal to 1000. Put this value k is equal to 1000 here, you will get y is equal to 1000 of x. Putting the value at x is equal to 1080, you have to find the value of y. So y is equal to 1000 over 80, it will give you 12.5. Question number 7. It is given that y is inversely proportional to the square root of x. Y is inversely proportional to the square root of x. You have to calculate the formula for y in terms of x. You have to calculate the formula for y. Omitting this proportionality sign, it will be q over x square. Substituting the values when y is equal to 48, x is equal to 1 by 2. Putting these values in this equation, y is equal to 48, x is equal to 1 by 2. It will be 1 by 4. तो k जब हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 148 से बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई लाइक दिस, k 1 द k and 48 multiplied by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 it means 1 by 4. 4 1 the 4 and 4 2 the 8. तो k की वैल्यू आ गई 12. Put this value k is equal to 12 in this equation. Y is equal to 12 over x square. In the second part again we have to find the value of x when y is equal to 3. So putting these values in this equation, again the same method, x square is equal to 4. Next question, question number 8. We can move on to question number 9. Y is directly proportional to x square. Y is directly proportional to x square. Omitting this proportionality sign, you introduce k, a constant, y is equal to kx square. Now substitute given values to solve for k. When substitute x is equal to 10 to find y. Now here is the solution. Y is directly proportional to the square of x. Omitting this sign, y is equal to kx square. Putting these values, we will get the k is equal to 1 by 8. Now put this value k is equal to 1 over 8 here in this equation. Y is equal to 1 over 8 x square. In the second part, we are asked that y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 4. Find y when x is equal to 10. You have to find the value of y when x is equal to 10. Now put this x is equal to 10 here in this equation. You will get 25 over 2. Again changing into whole number by dividing 25 by 2, it will be 12 1 by 2. This is the answer.